Welcome to our video, When Cities Fail, the breakdown of infrastructure in extreme weather. As climate change intensifies, cities around the globe are facing an unprecedented challenge: extreme weather events that expose critical vulnerabilities in urban infrastructure. From devastating floods to relentless heatwaves and fierce windstorms, the impacts are often catastrophic. Join us as we explore the growing threat of these phenomena, the strain they place on power and transportation systems, and discuss how communities are working to adapt and build resilience in a rapidly changing world. 1. The growing threat of extreme weather. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, floods, and heat waves, are no longer isolated incidents. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, the frequency of these events has increased by more than 400% over the past 50 years. As the climate continues to change, cities find themselves grappling with weather patterns they were never designed to handle. This growing threat isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a significant challenge that demands urgent attention. Cities like New Orleans and Miami are on the front line, battling hurricanes that are more intense than ever before. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina demonstrated the devastating effects of a city's inability to cope with such extreme weather, leading to catastrophic flooding and loss of life. These events highlight the urgent need for cities to reassess and reinforce their infrastructure. 2. Vulnerabilities in urban infrastructure. Urban infrastructure, comprising roads, bridges, power lines, and water systems, is the backbone of any city. However, much of it was built decades ago, with little consideration given to the impact of extreme weather. This oversight has left many cities vulnerable. For instance, roads are prone to flooding, bridges can collapse under the pressure of strong winds, and power lines are easily downed by storms. The American Society of Civil Engineers, ASCE, has consistently rated the U.S. infrastructure poorly, giving it a grade of D+. This rating reflects the aging and deteriorating structures that struggle to meet the demands of modern life and climate challenges. It's a stark reminder that without significant investment and innovation, urban infrastructure is ill-prepared for the future. 3. The impact of flooding on cities. Flooding is one of the most common and devastating consequences of extreme weather. It can cripple a city's infrastructure in a matter of hours. When floodwaters rise, they can submerge roads, damage buildings, and contaminate water supplies. The aftermath is often costly, with cities spending billions on repairs and recovery. In 2012, Superstorm Sandy caused unprecedented flooding in New York City, leading to power outages, transportation disruptions, and billions in damages. The city's subway system, a vital transportation artery, was inundated, highlighting the vulnerabilities of urban infrastructure to water-related events. This incident prompted New York to invest in flood defenses, yet many cities remain unprepared. 4. Heat waves and their strain on power grid. Heat waves are another extreme weather phenomenon that can disrupt urban infrastructure. As temperatures soar, the demand for electricity spikes, often pushing power grids to their limits. This increased demand can lead to blackouts, leaving residents without air conditioning and other essential services. In 2020, California experienced rolling blackouts during a severe heat wave, affecting millions of residents. The state's power grid couldn't cope with the sudden surge in demand, illustrating the need for more resilient energy systems. As heat waves become more frequent and intense, cities must adapt to ensure a stable power supply. 5. Windstorms and structural damage. Windstorms, including tornadoes and hurricanes, pose a significant threat to buildings and other structures. The force of high winds can tear roofs off houses, topple trees, and even collapse entire buildings. This type of damage not only puts lives at risk but also strains emergency services and the rebuilding process. The 2011 Joplin tornado in Missouri demonstrated the destructive power of windstorms. With winds exceeding 200 miles per hour, it caused extensive damage, resulting in the deaths of 158 people and the destruction of nearly 7,000 homes. This tragic event underscores the importance of designing buildings to withstand extreme wind conditions. 6. Adapting to the new normal. as cities continue to face the challenges posed by extreme weather, adaptation becomes crucial. Urban planners and policymakers must prioritize the development of resilient infrastructure. This includes investing in innovative materials and technologies that can withstand the harsh realities of changing climate conditions. Cities like Rotterdam in the Netherlands have led the way by creating water plazas that double as recreational spaces and floodwater storage areas. Such innovative solutions not only protect infrastructure but also enhance urban living. As more cities adopt similar strategies, the hope is that they will become better equipped to handle whatever weather challenges lie ahead. 7. The role of technology in building resilience. Technology plays a pivotal role in enhancing urban resilience. Smart city technologies, such as sensors and data analytics, can help cities monitor and respond to extreme weather events more effectively. Early warning systems and real-time data can provide crucial insights, allowing for timely evacuations and preventive measures. For instance, Tokyo has implemented an advanced earthquake warning system that alerts residents seconds before a quake hits. This technology has saved countless lives and minimized damage. As cities worldwide adopt similar technologies, they can better protect their infrastructure and citizens from the unpredictable forces of nature. 8. Challenges in funding and implementation. While the need for resilient infrastructure is clear, funding and implementation remain significant challenges. Building and maintaining infrastructure is costly, and many cities face budget constraints. Additionally, political will and public support are essential for driving change and prioritizing resilience projects. Despite these challenges, some cities have successfully secured funding and implemented innovative solutions. For example, Singapore's Marina Barrage, a dam that acts as a tidal barrier, serves as a model for integrating infrastructure with environmental sustainability. The key is to foster collaboration between governments, private sectors, and communities to ensure that cities are equipped to withstand extreme weather events.